Welcome back to the channel. I'm Matthew Vick, and this is the JoJo Lena. And if you guys like videos like this, make sure you smash that like button, because today we're going to talk about how you can make more money in the trash business. Ain't that right, JoJo?
That is absolutely right. You can make so much more money in junk removal if you resell items.
And we got a list of hot items we resell all the time, so stay tuned for that. And we're painting our house with trash finds that we found and resold. That's crazy.
Yeah, we have a separate savings account for things that we resell. So we keep that money, we tuck it away, and we use it to upgrade our house.
And you won't believe what we found today and what we're gonna resell today. It's a couple of nice couches that we got in the back of the dump truck.
Yeah, not only did we get paid to take it away, but we're gonna get double paid by putting it up for sale.
Let's check it out. And let me tell you guys, you won't believe what we found today.
We found these comfy couches.
Check them out. We actually got paid to take these. It's a set. JoJo, how nice are these couches?
They are going to sell really quick because not only are they comfortable, but they're also the right color. They're neutral, and a lot of people look for gray couches because they go in almost any room.
So we'll sell these super fast for at least $250. A quick fast sale because right now we got a lot of items in our garage and we don't want to take up too much room. We like to flip stuff fast, but these are super nice couches and we'll definitely get $250 for these. What do you think, JoJo?
Oh, for sure.
So what's some other things we found today?
Oh, wow. Today was just one of those days where we came across a lot of cool stuff that we could sell. This folds up. And it even came with its carrying case, and this will definitely sell. Super handy. We have...
Let me hop down real quick.
This is a Juvie portable playpen. One of those really big, nice ones that unfolds for kids.
And it's like brand new too.
Yep.
And also we got these chairs.
Yep,
Chairs sell fast.
We have these chairs. So, yep, we will put these online and make a little extra money. It's so great to keep as much as you can to resell. And if you want to, you can resell them right away. But if you have space, you can hold on to them and sell them in the winter or when you start slowing down.
So let's talk about the hot items that we sell year round. You ready for that or what?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Now we're gonna give you the 5 top items that we sell in the trash business. And number 1 is what, JoJo?
Dressers.
Dressers sell so fast. It don't matter if it's particle board or a knob's missing. You can sell them how fast, JoJo?
You can sell them almost as soon as you put them up. People just need them. They need them for their kids' rooms. They need them for their bedrooms. People need a place to put their stuff.
So we'll actually get dressers, and our prices we sell them for normally will be around $50 to $150, and most of the time before we even get home, it's sold. It is a super hot item.
And our number 2 top item that we sell is patio furniture, especially if it's spring and summertime. Patio furniture goes really fast.
It doesn't matter if it's rusty and you need to spray paint it real fast and make it look pretty. As long as you got the 4 chairs or even 2 chairs, they sell super fast. Even if you don't have the umbrella for it,
Yep.
They go. So that's our second hottest item we sell. And our number 3 hot item to sell is couches. We're sitting on a couch right now. I got this bad boy on there for a decent price, and we're not letting it go yet because I might keep it because it matches the garage, but couches do go. JoJo, how many couches have we sold this month?
Oh gosh, I've even lost count. It's a lot. Now that we have a garage, we're able to bring lots more home. And so, if you see one and it's in like fairly decent condition, bring it home, put it online to sell it. Even if you have to clean it up a little bit, it is well worth your time to do that because you will sell couches.
If you got a shampooer, shampoo the stains off, Febreze it, make it look clean, take a picture, and trust me, they will go fast.
So another hot item we sell are washers and dryers.
It's crazy how many we come across when people are moving and they don't want to take them with them and they pay us to take them, then we throw them online and sell them real quick. For at least $100 per washer, per dryer, we can sell a set for an easy $200 or more.
Yeah, it's really a simple thing to do, because if you know that it's in working condition, bring it home. Sometimes you have to wipe it down a little bit, but it's definitely worth your time.
Yeah, make it look pretty real quick and then put it online and get rid of it and make that cash. Now, item number 5 that's hot to resell is exercise equipment, especially since the coronavirus, everyone's at home trying to get fit.
Yeah, they are. They're at home trying to get fit, so they're looking online to find the equipment that they can use. So that's definitely a hot item. And also, you can look in your area for places like around here, we have a Play It Again Sports, where they will actually buy your exercise equipment that's in good working order.
So those are our top 5 hot items that we resell, but we got a whole bunch of more that we sell here and there all the time. So here we go. Let's get into it, JoJo.
All right, let's get into it. Another hot item to resell is mattresses. So if you're at a job and you come across a mattress that's in good shape still, you can bring that home and make really good money. Another thing to have handy in your truck is one of those plastic mattress covers, because you want to keep that mattress in the best shape possible, especially if you're having to go to the dumps and dump things before you bring your mattress home to resell.
Now, another item you guys can sell super fast are antiques. People love antiques. And if you don't want to sell it and put it online and deal with it, you can always drop them off at an antique dealer and put it on consignment and make that cash.
Chairs are another thing that sells very, very well. It doesn't even have to be a chair you like or anything that you find attractive, because other people will like it. And I've noticed that as long as you put chairs, either 2 of them or 4 of them, they'll sell really well.
Now let's talk about another item you might not know that sells pretty fast is laptops. We'll save laptops and stack them up until we have about 20 of them, and then we'll drop them off at the computer guy down the street and he'll buy them off us. So laptops do sell if you have the right ones. He'll go through them all and maybe pick 5 out of the 20 we have, and we'll make extra cash that way selling laptops.
Another thing that sells really good are refrigerators. If you come across one at a job and it works, sometimes you have to bring them home and clean them up a little bit, but it's well worth it. People need refrigerators, so throw one online and you'll make some extra money for sure doing that.
Now, something you might not know is retro stuff sells super easy. And you're probably wondering, what's retro? Some lime green, something from the 70s, something like Austin Powers? Yeah, baby. That stuff will sell super fast, so anything retro will go.
Another thing that sells great is musical instruments. Whether you come across a drum set, horn, saxophone, guitars, those sell pretty quickly.
Now, something else that will sell super fast is anything military related, like ammo boxes. There's a lot of collectors out there that like that stuff. So if you ever come across it, put it online for a good price and you'll make that money.
Another thing to keep your eyes out for is old signs.
Oh my goodness, old signs. You can get good money for old signs.
You would be amazed at how much money you can get from old signs. And I don't care if they're old Coca-Cola signs, Budweiser signs, any type of sign. It could even be the street signs.
If they're shot up or anything, they will sell for sure. You can make a lot of money off signs.
Bicycles are something else that you can put online and sell, even if they're not in perfect working condition, because lots of people like to buy bicycles and fix them up.
Now, some more items that you can sell super fast are tires, tools, and collectibles. And don't forget about lawnmowers. Ain't that right, JoJo?
That's right.
Now, are you guys ready to see what we sold in the last month? I know I am. Are you, JoJo?
Yeah.
Let's show them.
So we got this couch from a junk job, and we were gonna keep it for ourselves because it's kind of nice. But you know what? We put it up for sale and sold it for $400. So we sold this couch for $300. Sold $100. Quick sell for $40. We could have got more for this. We could have took the time and painted it, made it shabby chic, and got more money for it, but we wanted room in the garage. Sold for $60 and $60. Picked these up an hour ago and someone is already coming. $200. Sold $50. And the reason why we sold it so cheap is because we have 2 more sets over there. Sold for $120. So this was interesting because we got paid to take these away and now we're getting paid again. We sold them for $200. Matt wanted to keep them, but I said no. So this bed frame had some missing pieces. It didn't have the rails, but we still sold it, 75 bucks. Pet beds sold for $25 each.
So we get this question asked all the time. Do you have problems reselling stuff that you pick up from people's houses? Like when you post it on Facebook Market, do they get mad? Do you ever get bad reviews? And JoJo, do we or don't we?
No, that's never ever happened to us. I mean, I think that people know that they could have put it online and they could have sold it themselves, but they didn't. They called you to haul their stuff away. So whether you donate the stuff, take it to the dumps, recycle, or bring it home and resell it, it really, once it's in your truck, it's yours to do with what you want. So if you do feel uncomfortable doing that though, there are ways around it. You can actually just get a whole new Facebook profile that you use just to resell items if you don't want it in everybody's faces. That's what you're doing, but I see nothing wrong with doing that.
So me personally, I never have a problem posting something and selling it, but I will do it this way. I'll post it on Facebook Marketplace and post it in there and never post it in the Facebook groups like yard sale groups, city groups like that. I'll just post it where I'm not advertising my business, and that's how I do it. So if you guys like these videos, make sure you smash that like button. And if you want more videos like this, leave a comment down below. And remember one thing, keep hauling and balling. We love all you guys.
Leave a comment too and let us know what is the most common things you sell.